Betsy Dillard Stroud, and the odyssey today is painting a figure in an interior. And the challenge, of course, is to marry that figure into the background. We don't want the figure to look pasted on. So I'm just going to start up here. I'm going to have to take this tape off while I do this so I can paint her face. I'll paint up into the hair even, and then come back. Now I may come in with opaques later and finish her skin. Who knows? We'll see, won't we? I'm even going to paint over her nightgown or whatever it is, another mystery. But try to do it fast because I'm painting wet. And actually this would be a good time to drop in color, but I'm just going to keep going right now. She might stay a little green. It's my painting. If I want her to be green, she can be green. Okay, look at that bright color. Oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God. I'm going to have to put some of that in here, I think. Yeah. Maybe some in here. So I keep going back and forth across the painting because that creates, when I put a color somewhere, I don't want it isolated. I want all my colors to relate. And I've talked in most of my workshops about thinking about the composition in 4 different quadrants with an invisible line dividing the composition down the middle. And then making sure that all 4 of the quadrants relate but yet have a little bit different feel. And then you can be sure that you're going to get a painting that's interesting and that works together, works really well.